This week for Presentation 5 in Education 180, we're going to be learning about the referral process and the inclusive learning environment. To start this week, we are going to have a warm-up. And for this warm-up, you're going to click on the die and roll it. And then whatever number you roll, you're going to look at that description of child, and you're going to head to our Padlet board and write a description of a benefit of having a student included in your classroom of regular learners that has this disability. Our first topic this week is noticing differences in learners, and you're going to listen to the podcast up here in the top corner that corresponds with the slide. Our second topic is getting children help, and we're going to start with the help for infants and toddlers. So we have a couple reading slides. You can read this slide and this slide and this slide. And then we're going to move on to preschool and school-age learners. And then we have a podcast on slide 11. On slide 12, we get to our third topic, and this is actually the inclusion classroom. And we're going to read a little bit and then watch an inclusion classroom in action and think about how the student is benefiting by being in this classroom. There's nothing to post, just think about it. On slide 15, we're going to do a sorting activity to really test your understanding of what is inclusion and what is not inclusion. To participate in the activity, you're going to go into the presentation files on D2L and open up the activity entitled, Is It Inclusion? You can print that or copy from it, and then you're going to sort the statements into the yes and no column. When you have your work finished, you're going to click right here, and it's going to take you to the slide that has your answers. And so then you can check your work, and don't forget to Dropbox your work after you have checked it. It does belong in the Dropbox this week. Our fourth topic is the benefits of inclusion classrooms. I'm going to read about those. Then on slide 19, you're going to click here to read an article online. And then after you've done that, think about what are the benefits to the other children and share your ideas on Padlet. We're going to move along with the types of supports that are available to students, and we have a little try it out activity. So what you're going to do is click on the Play Pose It activity right here, and this is going to take you to a video website that has some clips of students that are diverse learners. And you're going to use pages 79 to 82 in your textbook along with this video and fill out the answers to the questions when you get there. And you're going to Dropbox those answers on D2L when you're finished. I hope you enjoy the video clips. Last but not least, we have our referral project, and this is a project we're going to do to help you understand the process of referring students for help in your classroom. You'll need to open the Referral Project handout in D2L and follow along with this video. Make sure you check the D2L calendar for due dates for the project, and I want to remind you to start right away. And last but not least, we have our weekly assignments. This presentation has 2 Padlet boards on slides 2 and 19 to participate in online. You have 2 Dropbox activities this week, slides 15 and 21. And again, right away, begin that referral project. And I hope you enjoy this week's presentation.